Hello and welcome back. In today's video we are going to make a exhaust manifold, and it it has been used in cars for to collect the exhaust fumes released from the engine cylinders. If you see here, then the engine cylinders are connected to this parts, and it directs them to the catalytic converter, which has been connected to this part. So you can see in the market there are various types of exhaust manifolds, but in this video we are going to make a simple one, which is this one, and in the next video we are going to make a complex one. So stay tuned for that as well. So let's just begin. Okay, to start with a part design, and let's just see. Okay, so we are going to sketch. First of all, just rename it to the property as a exhaust manifold, and now select the plane and go for sketch. In here we can just start with a circle along with a two sets of construction lines on either sides. Okay, it should be parallel to each other and connected. Okay, now I'm going to make a circle once again at both the points like this. Okay, make sure you on this thing, just called snap to point, so it collects the point where it is, and it will draw the whatever you want to draw at that point. So like this, and let's just make it a 68, and for this, so the angle between these two should be 38, and should be 16 in diameter, same as this one. And let's just make one more circle around it, and it should be 78. Or let's just see how much it is here. It's 100, and this 26, 16, fine, be 100 here. And around this we're going to make another circle, dimension as 26, same as this one as well, 26. Okay, let's see, the gap between these two is 65. Okay, so the distance between these two is 65. So if you want this design, or let's say the blueprints of it, you can download it from the description link. So yeah, all the dimensions are there, so you can go ahead and check that as well. 65. So you're good now. Okay, now time to make a connect these lines. So let's just go in this part, select the point called bitangent lines, select the outer circles, and it will draw a line tangent to it. That's a very good feature, like this. And yeah, that's it. Now going to eliminate those extra parts from this eraser, and if you don't have this kind of tools in place, you can just right click here and make it on, and if you can bring it up like this, there are things which are like hidden up here, so you can just drag it on and it will be there. Okay, so let's just remove these things, extra parts. Since I've double click on it, so it's still there after one use, like this. Okay, so we got the connector part, and it's complete now. Go for back, and in there you can see the sketch is now generated. Now you can go for padding for 8 mm, that will be fine, and there we go, that's it. Okay, so now we need 4 of this in this direction, right? So we go for this option called rectangular pattern. Okay, let's just select wait a second, select this one, go for it, and make it 4. The distance between this should be 120, and the direction should be y-axis, like this. Okay, and there we go, that's it. So select this plane and make another plane out of it in the reverse direction as 175 in length. Okay, now just make it position sketch, reverse V, swap. Okay, let's just draw a projection line here like this, and along with a axis, uncheck this so we can make it like this, and draw a projection, sorry, select the point, make a projection, make it a construction point like this. Now just make it both coincide like this. Okay, again make this as a construction line, fine. And now making again an axis in between, again on this up feature, start from middle of it, bring it up to a 170 or 160, that's fine, the length. And at this position we are going to make the other connector where this pipes goes into it, right? So let's just start with a circle and another circles, 3 circles up there. Okay, now connect them with this. Now this line and this circle should be should be tangent to each other, so make it tangent from the 3 sides, tangent, same for this as well, tangent. Okay, so looks familiar now, this and this should be coinciding to each other. Okay, works now. Okay, now dimension it as not like this, the diameter should be 16, and okay, the height of this should be vertical height, sorry, from this to this, no, it's not a height, yeah, it should be 105, and the distance between this two should be 122. This and this should be coinciding to each other, making it now a perfect thing for us. Okay, now just make this circle a construction mode or a construction circle. Now make another circle with a solid line, make it as 68. Fine, now looks good. After that, again make one another circle at every point. Dimension them as 30. Same for this. Same for this as well. 30. Okay, I hope you got this like till this point. And now just again go for that option called bitangent lines. So select these two circles and it will make a tangent line like this. And that will be all. Now time to remove the extra part. Double click on this rubber or eraser. Just remove the extra part. Yeah, works for me. Now just come back. So I guess it looks good. Okay, now make a padding of it, 8 mm preview. Yeah, that looks good. Now time to make a lines out of it. So okay, let's just do that as well. Select this, go for call point on the, no, it should be on the circle like this, and it should, another point should be on this same thing. Now make a line. Wait a second, where this point go? Curve, which should be on the circle. Okay, make a line. Start should be 0. No, it should be from point direction, and x direction. Start from 0. Yeah, that will be good. And end should be at 139.5. Let's just consider that. Works. Looks good. Now make another line for here, from here to in the y direction. Nope, wrong direction. Z. Yeah, perfect. It should be 50. Yeah, now just connect these two lines like this, preview, and done. Now that it's time for to switch to another, let's say, component, which is called shape design, generative shape design. And here need to find that option called corner, right? Select this thing, make it a radius of 90, trim. No, first of all select these two lines, trim it, make it as 90, preview, and that's fine. Yeah, looks good to me. Again, the same thing for this, and should be 60. Let's just make more, 70, and fine. So by this we have made a path for it to follow. Okay, now just go for the option called sweep. In the sweep option, just select this line, diameter as 35, preview, and done. Preview and OK. And similarly, just hide this, right click on this, make it hide. Now going to make for this, again select a point, for this, draw a line starting from this in the direction, and end should be 139.5. direction should be X. I'm right clicking on this, so it is showing the options. Okay, preview. Okay, fine. Make it 40. Join these two lines, so 2 points. Preview and OK. Again, go for the corner option. If you won't find these options right here, you can go always go into the tools and insert part. You can find all the options up there. Okay, so yeah, 70. That's fine for me. 70. Yeah, looks good. Okay, again the same thing, sweep, select 35, preview. Okay, come back to here, make it unhide, and okay, now we are going to just make it a symmetry out of it, so this two will get reflected over here. So for that we need to make a plane, right? To make a plane, now we're going to select this option, select this middle plane, and here we're going to select an option called parallel through point, and we're going to select this point. Reference is this one, and the point should be this. I guess we are good. Okay, preview and okay. Now select this two thing, press Ctrl and select this two, and now go for the option called here symmetry, and the reference should be our this, and now it's fine. Click on preview and okay. Now it's done. Now time for final some touch up and making it a material now. Okay, time to give it a surface along with some thickness to it. So we can do it from here as well, but I prefer to go into the into the part design, and here select the option called close boundary, close surface, sorry. Select each and every part like this. Again the same thing for the other one. Third and the fourth one. Okay, now they are solid. The reason why I'm doing this is because there are the 4 channels which are coming from here, right? So it should be distinct, right? And it should be open for all the things, for all the parts. So for now I'm going to make a hollow structure inside this. Okay, so for that we need option called shell, right? Select the shell part, and this to be 2 mm or more than that if you like. Just see 3. So if I'm just gonna hide this thing, hide it, like this, I got a structure where this whole four things are open, right? There's no let's say lockage or something, surface is developed. So yeah, the four things are open and ready to like make. So the design is quite simple and easy, if you see. Yep. Okay, for to give a better clarity, let's just see here. Yep, if you can see, this thing is open, right? Okay, fine. Time to make a some smoothing, or the what we call curves. Select the option called edge fillet, and now just going to select the boundaries here. Two, 3, 30. I guess the last one is wrong. Remove. Select the correct thing here. 3 and 4. Okay, like this. Should be 10 mm. Preview. Okay. Yeah, looks good. Along with it here as well. And same thing. Carefully select these lines only. Preview. And fine. See? And for the final thing here, give it 5 mm and looks good. Now going to hide all the curves. Hide all the curves, hide all the surfaces, sketches, and plane. Yeah, now it's the final product, and now it's good. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video where I'm gonna explain the or make the complex part of the this exhaust manifold. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.